They're not extended out, so they're in this little ring around the mouth, but you're not going to see them. But that's their location.
So they're in like that fleshy part.
Yes.
Okay. So you were right.
Yeah, well, I don't want to rub it in your face, so you said
Shut up. Okay, go ahead and record. Ready?
Oh, I've been recording.
Oh.
I'm glad you caught that moment on camera then.
So, there's little plates called ossicles that make up the whole outer part, which is called a test. There are the spines, which are these needles, the purple needles. The gills are in this little fleshy structure. They're too small to see though. The mouth is this part right here. The anal plate is this right here. And it's also located next to the genital plates, which I guess we'll see when we open it up. And then a metaporite is on the genital plate here. Little dots. Each of them are called metaporites. Okay. That is
the teeth or the
right
Aristotle?
there. That's the alveolus.
The whole thing.
Oh, the whole thing's Aristotle's lantern, right?
So let's cut this a little more. See if it's like a better view.
Yeah, I'm not ever eating this in a restaurant. Sorry.
Missing out.
Okay, so this is gonads that's on the inside. He has sort of a grainy, almost like caviar texture to it.
That's the part that goes on the sushi.
That's the part you eat. Okay, so you don't eat this other stuff. So Aristotle's lantern is the jaw structure. You see on top of it, right in the center, there's a tube coming out.
That's the esophagus?
That's your esophagus. It's not this. It's this large tube here. Looks like a big worm.
Oh, that one.
Okay. I was gonna say this
But
is where Chrysler got
on
his
the
idea
top
for an
of
emblem.
it, you see this
Off the
ring
mouth
here.
of one of these things.
The brain canal?
That's your
You know
ring
what I'm talking
canal.
about?
So
Like, they
each
have
one
the
is going to
Chrysler
branch off
vans.
into a radio canal, and you can see it here
Anybody ask
in the shell. This line here is a radio canal. So what's on the other side? Think back to your sea star. What's on either side of the radio canal?
The little
Ampulla.
The ampulla, right? So they do have a whole bunch of tube feet that extends out. So they have a lot more tube feet than a sea star because they have really tiny filament-like tube feet. Other things you can see these little rectangulars.
Those are ossicles.
Those are the ossicles. So in a sea urchin, they have fused together to form a solid structure, but you can see the remnants of them.
That's cool.
Okay. So that's the wall. So here's your intestine. So esophagus, see it goes up, and then it's going to loop down. So what I'm trying to do is kind of clean this stuff out. And what you're seeing is this tube here. See this? So it goes up, and then it wraps around the body. It's kind of broken a little bit here.
Sorry.
So here's the parts here. And so just like in the drawing on the board, it goes up, loops down, around, then back up to the anus. So that's what you're seeing here. It goes up, then loops down to the stomach and intestine, around here, and then if I clean this out, I should see where it attaches to the anus. So right here. See, whoops, I just broke it. So it's very delicate. So actually, no. Yeah. So that's the end of the intestine, and here's where it attaches. It becomes the anus. So it's just like that little diagram.